You got it from the bottom somewhere.
Oh, here. Here.
No, you have to undo the whole thing, Chuck. You got to unwrap the whole thing and then wrap it up again.
See what you get with messing around in here? You're lucky that your Uncle Chucky got you. Unless you choke
You got to
out.
untie it and open it up, Chuck. What are you going to do? Try to grab him through the hole?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not going to work.
No?
No, you got to let him out.
Okay. I don't want
You
to
got to open up. You got to open up all that whole thing, unwrap it, and then unopen it. You wrap that one, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, then unwrap it.
All right.
He's getting tired.
Can't believe he found that. With all that green in there, he found it.
Chuck, what are you doing?
I'm trying to find the opening.
Just open, take all the ties out and untie it from over here. So no, you're just gonna entangle them more.
But he's here. Okay. Here. Here you go. Now you're done.
Now tie it back up. Here you go. Good luck.
I don't want to tie it.